What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jasmy guys. Just a quick update on what to expect from this crypto. We did see a little bit of a drop earlier last night and early this morning, and right now it's slowly starting to recover. So is it going to pump anytime soon? Is it going to keep dropping in value? Is this a good investment for this year? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. Also covering both short-term and long-term investors, as well as both buyers and sellers' point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up just about a percentage, and we do have Jasmy, which has taken a slight dip in the last 24 hours, just about 0.1%, nothing major. But we can see earlier today, or last night even, it was down about 3%. Over the last hour, minus 0.4%. Over the week, 3% down. And over the month, just about a percentage up, guys. So more or less, it has been quite volatile, up and down, a lot of peaks and drops in between over the last 4 weeks, but overall it has managed to maintain its value. So yes, there hasn't been much change in the value overall from Jasmy. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 65% in the last 24 hours, making it $21 million in trading, which is again a huge percentage increase. The only reason why it has gone up is because there's been quite a lot of change in the value of Jasmy over the last 24 hours. It's dropped in value, peaked back up, so we are going to see both buyers and sellers trading the crypto, and again meaning the trading volume is likely to go up, and because it's pumping right now, it is likely to go even higher over the coming hours and so on. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.003556 cents. However, it is actually trading at a slightly lower value here in green, which I can't read because the SMA indicator is over it, but we can see that it's slightly lower, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? Quite a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and we've got the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we've got is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, Jasmy is likely to hover around its current price range. And as you guys can clearly see, since about the last 2 weeks approximately, the value hasn't changed much. It's been more or less fluctuating, and that is what is likely to carry on over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. Do expect both green and red candles up and down, but again the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days looking slightly bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking positive, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But again, That does not mean it's going to go through a major pump or anything like that. It is going to be very, very minimal, potentially heading up to about 0.0036 to 0.0037 cents is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at towards the end of next week. And also, that does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit red candles in between as well, up and down, just like how it's been performing over the last 7 days. But the overall outcome seems to just about be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Not looking too great. We do have the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line is literally flat out going in a straight line, is not looking bullish or bearish. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, or potentially mid to late November 2023, an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Jasmy. And again, Jasmy, guys, has not been performing too well since 2022, early 2022, last year. There's been more or less dropping in value quite consistently, and is still dropping in value as well. That is what's likely to carry on over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Again, it's not going to be a major drop, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Jasmy, potentially about a 5 to 6% drop from where it is at the moment. By mid to late November is what I'm expecting, and potentially a 10% drop towards the very end of the year. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the red zone, and yes, we are in the lowest part of the red zone, meaning for us to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone means we have to hit 8 cents in target, which we are not even close to at the moment, and it is unlikely we're going to be hitting the resistance target anytime soon, not even in the next couple of years. But again, at least the next 3 to 4 years we are going to be stuck in the red zone, depending of course on how the crypto market performs and so on, and how Bitcoin performs in specific. Again, people are saying Bitcoin is likely to head over $100,000 by 2024 or 2025, which again, a lot of people can say a lot of different things, but at the end of the day, it's all about the waiting game when it comes to cryptocurrency, as it is a very volatile market. But yeah, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily head upwards, heading towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest or lowest figure you guys expect Jasmy to hit in 2023. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.